Driving innovation, powering LiFe-Younger. Hello, I'm Claire. Today I'm taking you inside LiFe-Younger. Let me show you how we bring clean energy idea to life.
At LiFe-Younger, we build energy storage and charging systems for the world's next generation of mobility. Our production lines are designed for speed, precision, and scalability. This is where our systems take shape, with safety and quality built into every step.
This is iTrailer, our mobile EV charging station. You can customize the logo and look and the optional parts. It is very flexible.
We've shipped to Europe, Australia, Africa, and Americas. Wherever clean energy is needed, we are on the way.
That's LiFe-Younger, where innovation meets green energy. Thank you for watching. See you on the green side.